Welcome to our review on biological polymers. Now, we have already encountered polymers in our biology topics, but we've not necessarily made that link together. So we're just going to go through a few of those key polymers that occur in living things. And the first one we're going to look at is DNA. So DNA is a polymer made from the monomers called nucleotides. And if you remember, a nucleotide consists of a phosphate group, which is represented by the circle at the bottom, the deoxyribose sugar, which is the little pentagon, and then we've also got the organic base, which is the rectangle sticking off the side. So we use those block diagrams to represent our nucleotide when we're drawing these diagrams of it. When we're talking about those organic bases, that could be one of 4 bases in DNA. We've got adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine. What we then find when we put the polymer together, then it's a double helix structure. So we've got these 2 strands that are joined together by those organic bases. And the way that they actually hold it together is through the formation of hydrogen bonds between them. And you can see there that when we've got our cytosine and guanine, they form 3 hydrogen bonds between them, whereas adenine and thymine form 2 hydrogen bonds between them. And it's those hydrogen bonds between the bases that holds the double helix shape together. And remember, we will have that complementary base pairing, adenine and thymine, cytosine and guanine. The second polymer we find in biology is the protein. So proteins are polymers which are made from their monomers called amino acids. And what we've got as humans inside our body are 20 amino acids that occur naturally. Now, each amino acid has this reactive functional group at the end that allows them to join end to end with each other. So the way we've got all of these different proteins in our body is just through having different combinations of those amino acids joining together. The last biological polymer we're going to look at are the carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are made from compounds of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. So our monomers are simple sugars, which can then be joined together to make these complex carbohydrates. So for example, one of the common ones that we've encountered is glucose as the monomer, which is then joined together in this long chain to make starch, which is a storage compound. Hopefully at the end of this video you can describe DNA, proteins and carbohydrates in terms of what they're made from as their monomers and their general structure.